Did you know that just one small clove can change the entire growth and health of your tomatoes? Many gardeners use expensive preparations, and the solution is hidden in the kitchen. A spice that we all have. Clove is not just an aromatic addition to cakes and teas, it contains powerful essential oils and natural substances that have antibacterial, antifungal, and repellent effects. This means that when you bury it next to your tomatoes, it begins to act as a natural shield against diseases and pests. Imagine your plant growing stronger, with healthier roots, while at the same time the soil becomes more resistant to fungal infections. Another advantage is that the smell of cloves repels many insects, so the tomatoes remain protected without chemicals. So, all you need to do is bury just one clove of the spice during planting or next to the already planted tomatoes, and let nature do its miracle. Try it yourself and write in the comments whether you have already used this method and what results you had. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video with your gardening friends. Maybe this little secret will help them.